Here's the truth no one tells you before you start trading options. It's not the strategy that makes or breaks you. It's how you think. You can watch 100 YouTube videos, memorize every Greek chart, backtest a dozen setups, and still lose money. Why? Because options trading doesn't just test your skill, it tests your discipline, patience, risk tolerance, ego, and pain threshold. Today, I'm going to tell you everything I wish someone told me before I placed my first trade, the stuff most people only learn after they've blown up their account. And if you want to shortcut years of frustration, check the link in the description. I share every trade I make inside my community with real-time alerts, strategy checklists, and the tools you need to trade with confidence and not chaos. Let's get into it. The biggest lie out there is that options trading is easy. Turn $100 into $10,000 in a week. Buy this call, make 300% overnight. And yeah, sometimes that happens. But most of the time, people lose money. Not because options don't work, but because they don't understand the game that they're playing. Options are the major leagues of trading. You're dealing with leverage, volatility, time decay, psychology, all at once. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a high-stakes, high-reward skill, and the cost of learning without a system is expensive. The truth, the market doesn't care how badly you want to win. It only pays those who earn it. Here's the next truth nobody tells you. You'll be wrong. A lot. Even the best traders aren't right 100% of the time. Many are right 50 to 70% of the time and still make six figures because they manage risk like a machine. The difference between a beginner and a pro? A beginner blows up when they're wrong. A pro plans for it. I don't win every trade, but I never let one loss erase a month of progress because I don't just trade setups, I trade systems. Until you accept that being wrong is part of the game, you'll take it personally and your emotions will run the show. And when emotions run the show, the account dies. You can have the best strategy in the world, but if you risk too much, game over. Risk management is the real strategy. Every trade I make starts with this question. If I'm wrong, how much will I lose? And can I live with that? Because if the answer is no, I don't take the trade. It's not about how much you can make. It's about how much you can afford to lose without losing your head. Most new traders think trading is about finding the perfect trade. It's not. It's about staying alive long enough to learn how to win consistently. Another hard truth, you're not trading against other newbies. You're trading against algorithms, hedge funds, full-time professionals, and people with more capital, more data, and more experience than you. This is not a casual playground. This is a high-stakes battlefield. But that doesn't mean you can't win. It just means you need a system, a plan, and a coach who's been through the war and made it out profitable. I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Here's a part that almost no one talks about. Trading will expose every weakness you didn't know you had. Are you impulsive? Are you revenge trading? Do you overtrade when you're bored? Do you freeze when you're down? Options don't just test your strategy, they test your character. And this is why I say trading is personal development disguised as finance. And if you don't learn to master your emotions, no system will save you. But once you do, once you stop chasing and start executing, that's when trading becomes a powerful source of income, freedom, and control. And most importantly, you don't have to figure this out alone. Inside my community, I walk you through every trade I make with real-time alerts, deep dive lessons, and the support most traders never get. If you're serious about doing this right and building skills that actually pay, click the link in the description and join us. Learn the truth, trade with the system, win with confidence.